Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Zoho Project for facility management. Let's get started. First up, you'll need to log into your Zoho account. If you don't have one, take a few minutes to create one. It's free and simple. This step is vital because without an account, you cannot access the Zoho Project platform. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Zoho Project module. This is the hub where you'll be able to manage all your facility tasks. Think of it as your control center. It's where you'll coordinate all your projects and assignments. Now that we're in the project module, let's create a new project. Click on the New Project button, enter your project details, and hit Create. Why do we do this? Because each project in Zoho represents a unique facility or task, allowing you to manage them individually. Next up, it's time to add tasks to your project. Click on Add Task, enter the task details, and assign it to a team member. This step is crucial as it allows you to delegate tasks to your team, ensuring everyone knows what they're responsible for. Now, let's talk about tracking progress. Zoho Project offers a Gantt chart feature, which visually represents your tasks and their progress. Simply click on the Gantt chart tab to access this feature. This helps us because it gives a clear overview of your project's timeline and helps in managing deadlines. Lastly, it's important to keep your team informed. Use the discussion feature to communicate with your team, share updates, or ask questions. Communication is key in facility management, and this feature ensures everyone is on the same page. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide on using Zoho Project for facility management. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and use these features to your advantage. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.